Today in this video I'll be explaining you about the addition, subtraction of matrices, as well as I'll be explaining you some properties of addition as well. So before starting, I'll tell you where most of the students make mistake. It is with the signs. See here, plus into plus gives you plus, plus into minus gives you minus, minus into plus gives you minus, minus into minus gives you plus. So this concept you should be thorough while doing addition, subtraction, multiplication of matrices. So let's start this addition of matrices with few examples. Before adding two matrices, the one thing that you should keep in mind is about the order of the matrices. So suppose there are two matrices A and B. You can add these two matrices if and only if the two matrices are of the same order. Okay, say suppose A is of the order 2 cross 2, B is of the order 2 cross 2, then only you can add these two matrices and the resultant matrices, that is A plus B, it will be of the order 2 cross 2. Okay, say suppose they give a matrix of order 2 cross 3 and then a matrix of order 3 cross 2 and ask you to add. Is it possible? No, it is not possible to add the matrices which are of different orders. So addition cannot be done. Similarly 3 cross 3, 2 cross 3. So if they give two matrices of different orders, then you can neither perform addition nor subtraction. Now let me explain you how to add two matrices, okay, with few examples of matrices of different orders. See here, I have taken a matrix A which is of the order 2 cross 2 and B which is of the order 2 cross 2 as well. So I can add these two matrices, that is A plus B. In order to add these two matrices, just add the corresponding terms. See here, first term 2 plus 2 and 1 plus 0, 5 plus 7, 4 plus 3. Okay, so just add it. 2 plus 2 is 4, 1, 12 and 4 plus 3 is 7. So this is your resultant matrix and it is of the order 2 cross 2 as well. Now in the second example, I have taken a matrix which is of the order 3 cross 2 and the second matrix is also of the order 3 cross 2. Since both the matrices are of the same order, I will add it. So how to add this? Similarly, just add the corresponding terms. 3 plus of minus 2. So you should be a bit careful here. 2 plus 5. 1 plus of minus 8. 4 plus 3. 5 plus 0. And 3 plus 4. So this will give you, see 3 minus 2 is 1, 5 plus 2 is 7, 1 minus 8 is minus 7, 4 plus 3 is 7, 5 plus 0 is 5 and 3 plus 4 is 7. So this is your resultant matrix and it is also of the order 3 cross 2. Let us add these two matrices which is of the order 3 cross 3. So A plus B is equal to 5 plus 3, 7 plus 1, you just need to add the corresponding terms. 4 plus 1, 6 plus 2, 5 plus 3 again and 5 plus 3, 5 plus 1, 7 plus 2 and 4 plus 3. So just add this. It will give you 8, 8, 4 plus 1 is 5, 8, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 and this is also 8 as well. 5 plus 1 is 6, 7 plus 2 is 9, 4 plus 3 is 7. So this is your matrix which is of the order 3 cross 3. Let me explain how to subtract two matrices. In order to do subtraction, two matrices must be of the same order as well. So I have taken here an example of 2 cross 2 matrices. So in order to subtract these two matrices, just you need to subtract the corresponding terms. So 1 minus of minus 3. Okay. So 3 minus 1. 7 minus 8. 4 minus of minus 7. Okay. So this will give you, see, 1 minus into minus gives you plus. So it becomes 1 plus 3, that is 4. 3 minus 1, 2. 7 minus 8, so it becomes minus 1, and 4 minus into minus becomes plus again. So 7 plus 4 is 11. So this is here. Taken an example of 3 cross 3 matrices. Here also subtract the corresponding terms. Be careful with the signs. 3 minus 4, 5 minus 7, 1 minus 3, 9 minus 5, 5 minus 2, and 4 minus 8, 2 minus 6, 3 minus 8, and 7 minus 9. So this will be 3 minus 4 is minus 1, minus 7 is minus 2, 1 minus 3 is minus 2 again, 9 minus 5 is 4, 5 minus 2 is 3, 4 minus 8 is minus 4, 2 minus 6 is minus 4, 3 minus 8 is minus 5, and 7 minus 9 is minus 2. So this is your resultant matrix. Similarly, I have taken an example which is of the order 2 cross 3 matrix. So here also A minus B will be 1 minus 1, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 3, 2 minus 4, 2 minus 5, and 2 minus 6. So which will be equal to 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, 1 minus 3 is minus 2, 2 minus 4 is minus 2, 2 minus 5 is minus 3, and 2 minus 6 is minus 4. See, the resultant matrix is also of the order 2 cross 3. Okay, this is how we perform subtraction with the matrices. Now let me explain you some of the properties of the addition. See, when you add two matrices, addition of matrices is commutative. That means if you take two matrices A and B and if you add it, it will be equal to B plus A. Okay. So addition is commutative. Addition of matrices is associative as well. That is, if three matrices are given and ask you to check for whether it is associative, you just need to add the two matrices A and B. Then for that resultant matrix, add a matrix C, and you can check that it will be equal to A plus of B plus C as well. Next is additive identity. So for any element, if you add 0, you will get back the same element. So suppose A plus 0 is equal to A. Similarly, in case of matrices, for example, I will take one matrices 1, 2, 3, 4 matrix, and if I add a 0 matrix, that is 0, 0, 0 and 0, you will again get back the same matrix. So this will be your additive identity. And additive inverse. Say for example, if I have taken a matrix 1, minus 2, minus 3 and 4. So how to find the additive inverse for this? So first of all, additive inverse is written as minus A. You just need to change the signs of the given matrix. See, it is plus 1 here, make it as minus 1, minus 2, make it as plus 2, plus 3 and minus 4. Okay. So this is your additive inverse. If you add a matrix to its inverse, you will get a null matrix. Similarly, for subtraction, if they ask for commutative, subtraction is not commutative and neither the subtraction is associative as well. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. If at all you need any chapters to be covered or any concept to be taught, please write it in the comment box. Thank you.